This weekend, we decided to go a little far from the hustle of the city. We chose a village called Kachua, which is not very far from Kolkata. It's a quiet and peaceful farmers' village. This place is a very popular religious destination for Bengali Hindus, because this place has close association with the life of Lokenath Baba or Lokenath Brahmachari. Who was one of the most influential Bengali spiritual leaders and a yogi. He was born in 1730 and it is said that when he deceased he was 160-year-old. Lokenath Temple is a popular tourist destination. Thousands of people from across Bengal visit the place, especially during monsoon. The temple is beautiful and the structure is quite grand. Since his followers believe him to be an avatar of Lord Shiva, the temple is beautifully adorned with different symbols related to Shiva. I found one thing particularly interesting. Since Lord Shiva is regarded as the primary teacher of dance and drama, every pillar of the temple is decorated with different dance postures of him. That was quite amazing to see. The temple also provides food to the pilgrims at a very nominal cost. It was a very pleasant weekend trip.